so much to know. I'm aboard Explorers, it's time to go. Oh, don't worry. On the way.
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Oh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink. Can't catch me.
Swim away!
Look, I'm scared now.
Stop fooling around!